Hey people, so we are at this place called Dostea, and as you can see, it's like mango milkshake starts at 50, chocolate milkshake. It's a cute little place, and there's light here. This is, I'm so glad that this little place that it is, and that's how the menu card looks like. We'll have each first. We'll start with the kadak chai, should we? Kadak chai or special masala chai or anything, elaichi chai.
Lemon tea.
Okay, lemon tea. Yeah. So even I'll have correct. I'll have a ginger tea, I think. Yeah. Hey, this seems really good. Tandoori, everything. Wow.
These are sandwiches, right?
Correct. Oh, we could yes.
We'll have
yes, absolutely.
We'll have this. What do you want? Tomato cucumber or
Yeah, come.
or samosa? What do you want?
Come.